You searched how to buy shares of Lam Research Corp. Lam Research supplies wafer fabrication equipment to the semiconductor industry and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker LRCX. This short guide is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and then add funds to place orders. Use the platform search box and type the ticker LRCX to find Lam Research, then select the matching NASDAQ listing to open the stock page. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart so you can confirm this is the correct Lam Research Corp listing with the LRCX ticker on NASDAQ. Click Invest or Buy, choose the amount or number of shares you want, then carefully review the order and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed according to order type, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. After the trade completes, the new position will appear in your portfolio, and if you want to follow the same example, you can use the link in the description.